This is an interactive demo of PEEB, a fine-grained image classifier here trained to identify 200 species of birds. PEEB has a part-based explainable and editable bottleneck. First, you would select an image and the model will make prediction. Here it thinks this is a black tern with 13% confidence. So now let's look at its explanation. So if you hover your mouse over the part description here, crown, forehead, nape, eyes, you can see here what the model detects in the input image that matches the textual description of the parts here: beak, throat, breast, belly, and so on. So in total, the model uses the 12 matching scores between each part and its description here to compute a softmax scores how well the input image matches the black tern. What is interesting here is there's this language bottleneck. All of these textual descriptors are editable on the fly during the inference time. For example, let's create a new black tern class, black tern X, and then put a random characters here just to test how well it matches the input image, nape. Now if you hit predict, the model still thinks the image is a black tern, the original black tern, and here you can see that the matching score for crown reduces from 83 to 7, 59 to 22, and then 72 to 52, suggesting that these descriptions do not describe the visual features found in the image. Now we also can improve this descriptor. For example, let's pick one of my favorite birds, which is this American goldfinch. In this case, the model correctly predicted that this is American goldfinch with almost 4% softmax score. But looking at all the matching scores here for the parts, you can see the crown is at least matching the input image. So maybe we can do something here. So let me call this American goldfinch V2, and I'll go to the internet and find the actual descriptions of the crown. So one way to do this is to ask Perplexity. I will ask it to describe concisely the 12 parts of American goldfinch, and I will just copy it because it's faster. Let's say we take this and then we paste it here, and that's it. We have a new descriptors now. The model has to identify this image and separates 201 classes. The original 200 plus American goldfinch V2. And let's see what it does. Yay! The model actually labeled this now American goldfinch V2 with 5% confidence, and the matching score, if you remember, increases from 10 to 42, suggesting that this is a better description that matches the crown area more. We include some interesting examples, for example this one, to see how well the text in the image actually matches the descriptors. So you can see for most parts of the birds here, the matching score is 0 as expected. Forehead, the exception here would be the eyes. So let's say if there is nothing in the input image, entirely black, so it turns out the matching score is all 0, which is as expected.